Hey guys, quick reminder video of how to get to your math videos. The last thing I asked you to do today were your notes, and in order to do your notes, you need to get to the math videos. So let's walk you through it here real quick. We're going to click on Teams, all right? You're going to bring up your particular math period. So I'm going to use period 4 as an example here. To the far left, you've got your math videos. We're going to click on it. We're going to open it on up, and now we filter. All right. I would suggest that you make it full screen here. Go to the website that you see up top there. Okay. Just because it's going to make it easier on you. So now I've got the full screen. Yeah, I'm going to click on teacher. We're going to find Sue Savage. You are in 6th grade, and then you were asked to do the unit review, and it was lesson 1, day 2, and there it is. So you'll click on it. All right, it'll bring it on up. All right, and then away you shall go. All right, you got it there. Take care.